Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can install, import and use Bootstrap in React application. React is a front-end framework for faster and easier web development. So let's start. First, you need to open your React project in any code editor and open terminal here. New terminal, and you need to enter your main project directory. Like I am in my main project directory which called test. Right here npm install react bootstrap. Okay, this command will install Bootstrap package in our React application. After installing and importing this package, we can use all part, all component of Bootstrap in our application. So now open index.js file in your application like this and import here one thing. Import bootstrap css slash bootstrap dot css. Save this file and close this page. Now here I have one file by name test.js, and also I have function component by name test. In return I have div element. Inside one div element I can write everything, all HTML parts. Now I want to import one button from Bootstrap. We will see how this Bootstrap and how this button is work. First I want to import a button from Bootstrap. Import button from React Bootstrap slash button. Okay, like this. And now I want to use a button. And I want to use a class name from Bootstrap. Class name equal to btn dash outline dash secondary. Okay, friend, I'm using this class name from Bootstrap. We will see now how Bootstrap work in our application. I will select text bar button, click me. I want to save this file, and also me imported this file in app.js page. Okay, by name test, and now I want to start my application. Npm start. If we get this button and style for this button, we know after this Bootstrap is working correctly. If we get an error, we will fix it. Okay, this is working successfully. Like click me. Okay, this button now from Bootstrap. And also like this one, we can use all component in all part of Bootstrap just by importing name. Thank you for watching.